Hi, Orange Girl here with an unboxing video of the November 2018 Clique Kits. Seneca Falls is the perfect name for these kits. Here we go. Hi everybody, I got my new Clique kit for November 2018 in the mail today, and I thought I would share a quick video with you, an unboxing video. I have actually the main kit here, and then I also have the TN kit and I have the color kit, and I'll start with the main kit and I'll head on over to the other ones here in a second. Let's start with the paper. This kit is full of a lot of Amy Tangerine, and I am totally loving it. This has, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it is gorgeous. It has gold foil on it, and I could see totally cutting these apart, like a cut apart, and using parts of these on a page, or even just using it as is. Love that. Okay, so this is the Shine On collection, and so I'm going to show you both sides as we go. So this is called Sprinkled, and then on the other side is just kind of a plain, well, not plain, you can kind of see just a very small print. So you could totally use this as a background. It wouldn't be overwhelming. This as well, too. I love the colors, the pink, the blue, and the yellow. So this one is a cut apart. This one's called The Good Life. It says things like can't even, the good life, haha. And then the other side is black with some yellow and pink and white polka dots. And they're kind of wonky. They're not like perfect polka dots, which I like. They look a little bit more whimsical. Ooh, look at this lovely black and white. I love this a lot, a lot. This is called Blooms. Oh, and then a grid on the back, like a notebook, or what do you call those? Like, I don't know, you would use it in accounting, kind of like a spreadsheet. So here is, this is gorgeous. So like one of the things that I really like about all of these papers is I really like the branding strips are nice to use on a layout. Okay, so this, look at this. These look very similar, only this one has a little bit bigger print and it's black and white. And then this one has the colors added in and it's a little smaller. This one's called Harmony. And that gorgeous black and white. I think one of the things that I really like about these, I can't see myself not using that side. I think I will totally use that side. Kind of a peach color with flowers on it. This one's called Ambitious. One of the things I like about this kit and this collection, this is gray with polka dots again, is there's tons of black, pops of black throughout the whole thing. This one's called Planted. I like all the little, oh, and then a wood grain on the back for more of a neutral look. This one, I love this. This is called Bouquet. I can totally see fussy cutting this. And kind of a nice stripe on the back. Amy almost always has some cameras. These say different things like smile, happy, remember, explore. Okay, I like that. And then this is a really pretty aqua color, like throughout the whole collection. I love it. So this is a black with, I don't know if you can tell it, but some of these are more of a peach kind of color, and then some are more pink little hearts. This one's called Surrounded by Love. And the more neutral back, well, not neutral, pink, but easier to use. I think I forgot to tell you this is called Remember. And then this month, last month, there was a white piece of this corrugated cardstock, and there's black this time. So let's take a look here. These are the A sides. Okay, and now I'm going to magically flip them over, just like magic. Ready? And then these are their B sides. See that lovely aqua color throughout? I love that. Okay, so those are the papers. let's get to some of the embellishments. First of all, in the kit, always, there is a printable that comes. This one matches the kit, of course. They always are so nice, well done. It has cards, like 3x4 cards, it looks like, some labels, banners, little hearts, okay? And then also the other exclusive are these two pieces of flair. This one says Sunshine. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and since I'm going to get the ephemera out here in a second. When I first get into a collection or a kit that I'm going to use, I usually, like these I just got at Target. Actually, I got these at Target recently. They were in the dollar spot. And I like to put my ephemera and things in there because it's just easier to kind of look at them, get them. So before I get into that, I'll show you this. These hearts have all those same colors in them. There's a purple too. Colors of the collection, and they're various sizes. These puffy stickers will get a lot of use. I know that. I will probably use every single one of them. One of the other things that often comes in collections of Amy Tan are these little remark stickers. So there are, they say things like love right now, cute, meet me in the sunshine, here's the story, to-do list, those sorts of things. And then there's several different, there's 8 different, 4 different colors, 2 of each color. So 8 different sheets of that. And they all, I think, say the same thing, just different colors, which is kind of fun. Then this is also, these are words, these are rubber. Sorry, I should have taken everything out of plastic before. I don't think I'm going to be able to get that out. I'm not going to be able to get it out right now without making a ton of noise. So, sweet, lovely, hello, happy, special. And then this black alpha, which will go really well with all the pops of black that are in there. It's called Twilight. Okay, so let's get to the ephemera. So this is the die cut shapes that come with the collection. And there are bigger ones and smaller ones. So I'm not going to go through each one of these, but I'm just going to kind of show that there are like some frames, some words. This one says okay. There are some journaling spots, which is kind of nice to have. And then obviously some of the shapes and things that are found in the collection, there are die cuts for. So plants, little animals, hearts. Okay, so those are the bigger ones. And then, oh, some banners. Oh, so another journaling spot. And then these I thought were kind of unique to the collection because they're all foil and they're craft. So same kind of design of the floral, except for now it's craft with gold and white. So some more journal spots. So that flower is really pretty. I don't know if you can see some bigger ones, some smaller ones. I like this a lot. That's pretty. Okay, so those are the pieces of ephemera that can go on your layouts or projects. Okay, so that is the main kit. And now I'm going to move on to the Traveler's Notebook kit. And it comes with a lot of yummy goodness as well. And since it's not super important to me that I keep these kits separate, I'm just going to put my, all of my ephemera pieces in the same area. So these are by DIY shop, the American Crafts, obviously, and they're just file tabs. I don't know if you can, they're just tabs. They're black, which will be nice for the kit. And then these gold, like doilies, really small, which is cool. And then some more journal spots, which these will be great for used in a traveler's notebook, it would take up quite a bit of space of one side, but look how they're sized perfectly. Since I do my traveler's notebooks and when I do them, I'm binding, I've kind of decided I really like using the rings instead of having it stapled together or whatever like that. And so since I'm using ones with the rings, I could actually stick this in as a page in the middle. I could totally see like just poking holes in it, punching my holes and using that as part of the page. That would be cool. Just thought of that. Okay, I love these. So these say yes, please, and love, and they're clips. So those are cute, and the colors are cute. This is the printable that is exclusive that goes with the Traveler's Notebook kits. It has more labels, butterfly, not butterfly, that is not a butterfly. In case you were wondering, it's a camera. And some flowers and some hearts. Then the 6x6 pad. So this has all of those same papers, but like for example, this one was one of the papers that's in the main kit, but this has gold foil in it. And obviously it's a smaller scale as well, because it's the 6x6 side. So these are perfect. I use them on my layouts, but you could also use them on your Traveler's Notebook layouts, of course. Look at that wood grain. That's pretty. This almost looks like it could be, let's see. This almost looks like it could be a Christmas, just because they're the evergreen trees or whatever. You could use them on a Christmas page. All right. The cut aparts. These look like they're what? I don't know, inch and a half maybe, by an inch and a half. Awesome, I love this. That paper is pretty. Okay, then also this sticker book, which I love the sticker books that go with Amy's collections. Amy, like she's my friend. She's my best friend. Okay, so this is just, so like these are clear, some of these are clear stickers, like this says, oh yeah. Some florals. You belong somewhere you feel free. I like that. A lot of the gold. And then, sorry, I'm having a hard time here turning the pages. Some craft and black. And the colors and gold, of course. And then black. Love this. And white. You can't probably see these very well, but they're clear with white print. And they're the same sentiments as this, only on white. And then these, I always love it when they have these little things, because they're just nice to, just a different way you could put your date on if you wanted, or just use it on the page, as part of an embellishment even. Okay, so there's that. And then last but not least, oop, nope, not last, I lied. This is Pink Fresh, Simple and Sweet, and it has a lot of gold and a lot of the same colors. I can see why they chose to put this in with the Traveler's Notebook kits, because it has a lot of gold, just like the collection, and a lot of the Amy Tan stuff. And then it also has a lot of the same colors in it, and so it works really nice. So this, I'm gonna, instead of going through each one of these, because the video is getting kind of long, I'm going to show you the back. So Simple and Sweet. This, I actually already have this pack because I love Pink Fresh, and I purchased this collection over the summer. So I will still use it, because look at all these flowers. Like, you can never have too many flowers, for sure. Okay. Then, last but not least, there are two washi rolls. The ones that I have here is a gold that's thinner, and then this is really awesome. Like, I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I do this, if it helps. So it's got white, or it's really kind of clear. It kind of takes up, well, it's not clear, it's white, but it's a little bit translucent, so you can kind of see through it a little bit. So that's awesome. I will love that. All right, so that, my friends, is the Traveler's Notebook Kit. And then last, I also got the color kit this month. And it comes with this stamp, Avery, good grief. And it's called, I don't know what it's called, Grateful. And it has Grateful and Thankful, very November-y, right? Fall stamps. I like the little dots there. Okay. And then this is so awesome. So Penelope D is the name of this. Looks like it's designed in South Africa. That's interesting. Okay, so look at that. Now I'm just gonna put it back way back like this, because then you can see it a little bit better. I love it. It's like kind of like leaves, sort of. And then to use with it, pardon me, I'm getting over this nasty cold, is this acrylic paint, Opal Magic Violet Gold. I don't know if I can open. Oh, seriously. Okay, so no, I can't open it. Okay, I for real cannot get it open. So you're just gonna have to wait and see it in action in a process video, and I will somehow work on it and get it figured out how to get that opened. But I can totally see why it's called, well, there is opal in the title, Opal Magic, as a matter of fact, because it is really shimmery. So pretty. So I can't wait to use that. So I will see you in my next process video coming soon to my YouTube channel. Thanks a lot for stopping by, and I hope you make pretty things with your kits.